New synchronous mechanism. Installation instruction. The synchronous mechanism includes 2 stationary rollers for the top track, 2 fixators, 2 screws and a cable 10 meters long. The mechanism can be installed on 2 hung doors together with fixed partitions, or on 2 top-hung doors overlapping opening. In the second case, fixing the top track is possible either to the ceiling or to the wall through the top track suspension. Fix the bases of the top rollers at a distance of 10 and 50 mm from the inner wall of the stile on the both doors. Indents of 10 mm in the center of the structure, 50 along the edges of the structure. Install the fixators on the roller bases, having previously changed the hexagon bolts. Hexagon bolts should be installed on opposite sides. Insert the other fittings without soft closers into the top track. Insert the other fittings with soft closers into the top track. Fix the top track to the niche ceiling. The track fixed with an indent in 8 mm. Loosen adjusting screw of the stationary rollers for the top track. Fix the rollers at a distance of 40 mm from the side walls. Install and adjust the doors. Insert the cable halfway into the fixator on one of the doors and fix it with a hexagon. Then pass the cable through the stationary roller for the top track. Further, through the fixator on another door. Then, through the other side stationary roller for the top track, and fix the cable in the first fixator with the remaining free hexagon bolt, having previously tensioned the cable. Cut off the excess. Close the doors and set the correct overlap. Only then, tighten the hexagon bolts in the second fixator. If necessary, tighten the cable using the adjusting screw. Adjust the soft closers, the positioners, and install the top track cover. Link for detailed installation of elements in the description. Check the doors. They should fit tightly against the walls of the opening. Move smoothly and quietly along the tracks.